Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best tankless water heaters. Watch until the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. First on the list is Rinnai RL75iN Natural Gas Tankless Heater. This heater is among the best options if you want to combine efficiency and value in one product. It is excellent if you have a gas water heater installed, but want to switch to an eco-friendly alternative. It also helps that Rinnai is a well-known Japanese brand that makes high-quality, reliable water heaters. It gives you a flow rate of 7.5 GPM, and depending on the groundwater temperature, it can simultaneously support a maximum of 3 to 4 fixtures. To boost its efficiency, it uses the company's trademark CircLogic recirculation technology, which works by optimizing the recirculation pump's energy use. However, taking advantage of this feature will require you to buy Rinnai's Control-R module and pump kit separately, making the entire kit quite pricey. The setup will also reduce the chances of long-term damage to the heating system due to its improved scale detection, while the inclusion of leak detection capabilities shuts its water flow off when it senses the water capacity is at the maximum levels. EcoSmart ECO Electric Tankless Water Heater. For people on a tight budget, most tankless water heaters are out of reach. But you do not need to opt for conventional water heaters when the EcoSmart ECO heater is available. It can support a maximum of 2 showers simultaneously and has a heating capacity exceeding 2.5 GPM. It even includes handy digital controls to make it more convenient for you when setting the water temperature. It's effortless to install, mainly due to its electric operation, although the small size it comes in may limit its heating capacity compared to other options on the list. Consider installing it if you live in an area where groundwater has a temperature of 62 degrees Fahrenheit or more. Eemax Electric Tankless Water Heater. If you live in a small home or apartment and need a powerful and efficient water heater, consider adding the Eemax to your list. Do not let its size fool you. It's an impressively powerful choice that allows you to install it anywhere you want. It's also an electric option with a heating flow rate of 5.3 GPM. Although you should note that it works best if you live in a warm climate or need a point-of-use heater. Due to its 99% EF rating, it will not waste any energy during heating, and you can operate several appliances simultaneously. It also has a self-regulation mechanism to change its energy use depending on demand. Camplux Enjoy Outdoor Life Outdoor Portable Tankless Water Heater. This is the perfect choice for people looking for hot water benefits on the go or during outdoor activities like camping, because it's a portable tankless heater. You can connect it to a propane tank and let it do its job. Giving you a maximum of 1.32 GPM of hot water, you can easily use it when you want to wash your hands, cook, or shower. It's very easy to operate and set up because it relies on a battery-powered ignition system and includes a shower head and gas regulator in its package. To make the most of it, ensure your water pressure is at least 3 psi. EcoSmart Electric Tankless 27 kilowatt water heater. If you live in a large home, you know your hot water requirements are quite high, and you need a larger water heater to keep up on the demand. That's where this heater comes in, and it's versatile enough to work as a whole house heating unit and a point-of-use heater. Its GPM is very high, standing at 6.6. And despite that high efficiency, it comes at a reasonable price, so it's definitely worth checking out. With that in mind, living in a warm area will work best. Stiebel Eltron Tankless Water Heater. This is the water heater to go for if you live in a household of 4 to 5 people and need the convenience of a quick electric heater. It has a flow rate of 8 GPM at its highest and gives you 6 size options. It has an energy factor between 0.98 and 1, which is the most impressive we've seen. And it gives you value for your money. It also has a temperature range between 680 degrees Fahrenheit and 1400 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can use it during winter and summer days alike. However, installation is tricky since you will need 350 amps or 6 spare breakers to do the task. So which one is best? The Stiebel Eltron heater wins this review due to its impressive efficiency, very high flow rate, and versatility in the options that you can get, depending on the size of your home. And that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and let us know which video you would like to see next from us.